Why attend a course with us? Delivered virtually or in person, the courses are highly interactive, engaging and delivered by 2 trainers. With 2 trainers, we are able to provide more attention to the participants, provide different views and experiences to answer the questions, and there's always a backup. Life happens. There's more focus on both what is said and what is not said. It's more fun for everyone. Participants have more variation. You don't have to listen to one voice for 2 days. Our courses are very interactive, and by having 2 trainers, we are able to sustain the energy levels throughout the duration of the course. We're natural facilitators who love teaching differently. Instead of traditional PowerPoint, we focus more on workshop-based classes to achieve maximum engagement, fun and learning, often taking practices from training from the back of the room. We have relevant industry experience as we spend a proportion of our time back in industry. We regularly put what we teach into practice. We're passionate about helping people to give tools and knowledge which will help you decide which option to take when we're not there.